said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away? You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no meaning, I just wanna understand everything that led us here, the teardrops when I hold your hand. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away?
Some kind of rush woke me up from umbilical cryogenic seasons and shot me up with embedded resuscitated feelings that pulled me up, gave me reason to proceed and something to sink my teeth in. I don't think you get it. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for a This might be the one last time in my life left to synchronize. And I think you know, 'cause the last few years felt like everything around me died.
Feel it come crashing down on me. Every little thing that I've kept locked away is coming back to haunt me. I guess that this is the price I pay when I let it go and I watched you die. I still miss you every single day, but I know that this is the reason I'm alive.
I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for a feeling. The fence I'm chasing, if you know, then you know. But the truth is I'm still healing, still try to let it go. This might be the one last time in my life left to synchronize. This might be the one last time in my life left to synchronize. And I think you know, 'cause the last few years felt like everything around me died. I just need to know that you're right here with me, feeling this energy tightly. Don't let go, don't let go. Tear us apart and bury me all in my head alone, calling your name but only feel the cold. I sense the change in energy, all of my fuse is blown.